Troubleshooting leaking and pore pressure. Always check for leaks when you install clean filter cartridges. Use a smear of rubber grease to help sealing and stop O-ring kinking on both filters, 1 and 5 Check O-ring is not stuck in the black lid. Use a smear of rubber grease on all hose fittings that have rubber O-rings. Check inline filter near control box. Squeeze sides and pull up clear top. Rinse off any product on filter mesh and smear rubber grease in top to help sealing and stop kinking. Push clear top onto black base. It will snap shut. As the system uses a pressure pump, any leaking will cause lack of pressure. Remember to replace back cover. No cover, system will not work. Get your filter cartridges and replacement O-rings from your supplier, ProPlaster.